So पूरे 5 महीने घर में लॉक्ड रहने के बाद I have decided to take a break. I am leaving for Pune and of course I'm very excited because I'm stepping out of my house. I'm going to meet my dad and my friends before that after a very long time. But also obviously I'm anxious. But yeah, I had to make that choice for myself and I have decided to go to Pune. So आज मैं अपने friends को मिलने वाली हूँ, उनके साथ थोड़ा chill करने वाली हूँ एक दिन. उसके बाद I'm going to head to my dad's place and I can't wait to get there, man. Just being outside the house after so many days क्या months feel so good. I can't tell you. मतलब I think एक अरसे के बाद सुबह की sunlight has touched my skin and it already feels good. Can't wait to get to Pune.
Yeah, I can even focus on sleeping. You're so pretty every day I'm thinking. Baby, could you help me 'cause I'm freezing. If you want to see me, it's 'cause you miss me. You say that you will love me every night and day, and I promise you that I will do the same. I know that nobody will love you the same way. Yeah, you're so easy to love, and I like.
शुरू है शैलेश. I love catching people off guard. That's what I do for a profession. So I finally reached Pune and I was so excited क्योंकि तुम लोगों को पता है मुंबई की गर्मी में मैं पागल हो गई थी and I was like I can't wait to get here. But can you guys believe it? Like I can't tell you, there is no difference in temperature, dude. Like the same temperature here. So it's been crazy hot. मैंने आने के बाद थोड़ा सा breakfast किया है and now I'm with my friends and we are heading to Mulshi. Okay, first let me show you my friends here. Here is a guy who you've not seen before in a vlog. तुम लोगों ने मेरा वो मटन थाली वाला vlog देखा था, याद है? मिलन ना? What was that place? So that's where I'd gone with Shailesh, but he didn't want to be on camera. But so yeah, that's Shailesh. That is Shweta. Shweta, hi. And that's Vivek. So yeah, we are on our way to Mulshi. ट्रैक करने का मूड है पर एक्चुअली वेदर पर बहुत डिपेंड करेगा. वहाँ जाने के बाद अगर हमें लगता है कि प्लेजेंट है तो करेंगे, अदरवाइज वील जस्ट चिल एंड कम बैक. This is how we travel nowadays. I'm hating this, but it's no option.
काज भी साफ हो गया. ए आ रहा है थोड़ा आ रहा है.
Thank God, dude.
We have reached चीरापूंजी. उसको चीरापूंजी बोलते हैं क्या? चेरापूंजी.
I'm falling from the sky. I'm landing on the cloud. You kissed me like a star, and I start to fly over the clouds.
Just taken a pit stop on our way to. Where are we going, Shweta? Do we know where are we going?
Yeah, I forget the name.
So we're going somewhere. We are being taken somewhere, but बीच में beer shop दिख गया तो हम लोग थोड़े excited हो गए. Picking up beers. And the best thing that has happened is temperature जो है वो थोड़ा कम हो गया है and हल्की सी बारिश शुरू हो गई है. So finally the good part of today is beginning right now. पूरा दिन काफी फकौल था with the heat and the temperature and that long drive from Bombay to Pune.
Between the feet of the sea, I come down from the clouds. Instead, I was worried.
We finally made our way through those little ghats and reached here and this is beautiful. I have to show this to you guys. Oh my god, अगर धूप नहीं होती तो this would have been so amazing, but just look at this. What? So pretty. So भले ही धूप है but it's nice and थोड़ा breezy तो काफ़ी अच्छा लग रहा है weather. We are going to chill here for a bit and then maybe head somewhere for lunch. If you see closely, you can see some clouds over there. I so wish it starts raining, man. जगह यहाँ पर इन लोगों ने एक बेंच भी रखा है ना. अगर मेरे बस में होता तो मैं बस यहाँ बैठी रहती लुकिंग एट दैट लेक फॉर 2 more hours. But my very enthusiastic friends want to go and climb down and trek and all that. I don't know why do people want to do that shit. Why can't they just sit in one place and cool? Oh, true. Look who's giving us company in the walk. Chalo beta.
Second night I've dreamt about you, babe. I don't know how I should tell you, babe, that lately I get lost thinking about you. I admit that I can't be without you.
ए श्वेता रुकना यार.
Oh, I didn't see.
You guys go ahead.
Why is this on?
Because this is also good content.
You're watching.
Someday yourself falling down
कितना हरामखोर है ये.
or getting bitten by a snake.
I hope that dog bites you. ए यार बहनचोद ये बहुत This is the most adventurous walk of my life, okay? मैंने इतने मतलब झाड़ियों में से कभी मैं लाइफ में नहीं चली हूँ because of this man. You deserve this. And you deserve that comeback.
Oh yeah, please. Just pass me a fucking smoke. That's all.
It's there only in your bag.
Nah.
Find a place. You guys know I'm fucking scared of insects and snakes and all that. और इतना क्या कहते हैं dense था वो नीचे grass. But we finally managed to come here and it's quite pretty. Look at that.
See, I told you he's a jumper.
She's having a ball.
Ah yeah, choose yeah.
चल. Stay.
Find difference.
So funny. That dog loves Shailesh.
This is a cute picture, dude.
Fuck.
I think it's really cute.
It's hilarious, dude. How are you so scared of dogs?
Dude, you're scared of lizards. That's exactly how it is.
Lizards are scary.
Lizards are
Shweta,
gross.
are lizards scarier or
They're
dogs?
They're hibby-jibbies.
What is hibby-jibbies?
So I can get
Oh, yeah, exactly. Ooh. Dogs are cute. Look at him, how cute is he until he comes close to me.
Yeah. Let him come and lick your ear. So Aarti, was this spot a little worth?
It's amazing. It's worth the walk. But just because nobody's bitten me yet. How did we perform on the walk, Shailesh, me and Shweta?
On a scale of 1 to 10, you guys were moonwalking.
He's like, he said you are walking like Neil Armstrong. I was just ensure. क्या चाहता क्या है ये? You know these guys have given us company from the top anyway. Yeah, I was just ensuring कि कोई कीड़ा वीड़ा कहीं झाड़ियों से ना घुस जाए और कोई सांप मुझे काटे ना.
Alcoholic dude.
Listen, this was the 5th chiti that climbed on me.
चींटी आई है. Oh fuck no, dude! Stop this
I know
bullshit,
how to make you stop now. बैकअप
पानी ला
There's a beer bottle.
या ये वाली प्लीज इसमें डाल दे. Now I'm going to climb up like an old lady.
इंटरेस्टिंग पार्ट ऑफ द
This guy is ready to leave.
एक काम कर सिगरेट दे
विवेक
मला
को देखते ही वो चला गया आगे.
If you feel like out of breath for anyone else, don't exert, just stop.
Fuck, ये क्या चूतिया है. Look at that. Look at that. That climb was literally 10 minutes, but I feel like my lungs are going to die. I can't believe how much I'm panting. 4:30 बज गए हैं and we are ready for some good lunch now. To this view, by the way. And that's it, guys. That was my Pune vlog. I had so much fun this day that I totally forgot to shoot the outro. But yeah, this is the end of it. अगर तुम्हें वीडियो पसंद आया तो hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys real soon right here. You take care. Bye bye.